Welcome. Today, let's walk through the latest and easiest way to send a video to a group on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. Whether you want to share a funny clip, an important update, or just a special moment with your group, the process is now more streamlined than ever with the new update. First, open your browser and head over to X. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have access to all your messages and groups. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen and click on the Messages icon. This will take you straight to your inbox, where you can see all your ongoing conversations and group chats. Next, find and select the group you want to send your video to. If you have a lot of chats, you can use the search bar at the top of the Messages section to quickly locate your group. Click on the group chat to open the conversation window. Now at the bottom of the chat window, you'll see several icons. Click on the media icon. It usually looks like a small landscape or camera symbol. This will open a file dialog box, allowing you to browse through your computer for the video you want to share. Navigate to the folder where your video is stored, select the video file, and then click Open. You'll see the video appear as a preview in the chat window, giving you a chance to double-check that you've chosen the right file. Once you're ready, just hit Send. The video will upload and be delivered directly to everyone in the group chat. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the video, the upload might take a few moments, but once it's done, everyone in the group will be able to watch it right from the chat. That's all it takes. With these simple steps, you can now share videos with your groups on X from your PC, making your conversations more dynamic and engaging. Give it a try and see how easy it is to connect through video on X.